technology perspective, the best hardware and software platform upon which you can build value-add solutions. Now there's many nuances to this diagram, so let me start from the bottom and work upwards and explain to you what each block here means. What underpins any interactive and collaborative solution SMART provides to its customers is our interactive touch hardware platform. Now this includes the SmartBoard interactive whiteboard, the Smart Table, Smart Response, and this is the clicker, or Smart Response LE, which is for early childhood or special needs. Very simple clickers with larger buttons. The Response CE, which is a software-only version of the response side of the equation. Smart Slate, Smart Podium. So these are the interactive and touch assessment hardware platforms that create the immersive collaborative environment, either in the classroom in the case of education sector or in the boardroom in the case of corporate. Running on top of or with this hardware is our collaborative teacher and student software, and this is Smart Notebook for teachers, Smart Notebook Student Edition or SE for students, Smart Sync for collaboration amongst different computers within the same classroom, and the Smart Classroom Suite brings all these things together in one holistic productivity suite for the education segment. So as you can see here, third-party companies can join our ecosystem programs to build plug-in applications, for example in Adobe Flash, that plug in directly to the software through a set of APIs that then runs on top of our hardware solutions. So you can create a whole set of miniature plugins that then can be used by the digital content, third-party digital content producers or publishers. Now, textbook companies, both basal and supplemental digital content companies, should feel very comfortable building their content using Smart Notebook, because the newly announced Smart Notebook Express can be used by any individual globally, whether or not they own smart hardware. A Smart Notebook Express can be used to open and utilize the digital content created using Smart Notebook on both Smart Technologies, Smart Interactive Whiteboards, or even a projector in a computer in a classroom or corporate boardroom. So again, digital content developers and textbook publishers can create content using the collaborative teaching and student software from Smart Technologies, knowing full well they can distribute those files, those resulting content files, to their customers. They could license that content, and their customers can easily open the file and utilize it on a smartboard, an interactive whiteboard, or any other technology. Last but not least, if you're a software application developer and you wish to build a vertical focused application, a very specific application that directly ties into our hardware products, a smartboard interactive whiteboard, or smart table, for example, smart podium, we do offer a software development kit and a set of APIs that allows your software to interact directly with the smartboard interactive whiteboard. One example of this is if an end user picks up one of our pens. Our pens are colored. There's 4 colors. That event of pen up and the color of that pen will be sent to your application, and you could do certain things with your application that you might not be able to do with other technologies from other competitive interactive whiteboard vendors. When the pen goes down, you get that pen down event. So these are things that software applications can build right into their user experience to create a breakthrough, extraordinary, made simple experience for their customers. Again, with the Smart Table, we have a software development kit there, and you can again develop applications directly on the Smart Table that integrate with the Smart Table, and not necessarily have to build your content in a smart software container. So the benefits of building digital content or software applications with Smart Technologies are number one, you get an integrated set of hardware products and assessment products that all work together in a cohesive manner, and your digital content or your software builds off of that integrated experience that customers come to enjoy from smart technologies. You get to leverage a growing base of manipulatives that Smart has built into Smart Notebook and use these royalty-free in your digital content. So Smart Notebook comes with something called the Lesson Activity Toolkit, or LATK. And in that, we have many different manipulatives that are very active and can be used right in your digital content you're developing and licensing to your customers, and again, royalty-free. And so this will continue to grow over time, and you can leverage that growing base of manipulatives with the Smart Notebook software. Last but not least, again, because your digital content or your software application is built on our interactive whiteboard, our interactive response, and our interactive table hardware platforms, again, that are all integrated and use common APIs and software development kits, your content or your application is evergreen in the sense that our gestures, our capabilities of interacting, of improving the way humans interact with our technologies will evolve over time and will allow your content to get even better and better as our interactive touch and assessment hardware platforms evolve. So that wraps up my presentation. Number one, I've shown we're the market leader in the interactive whiteboard space. Number two, the market is experiencing explosive growth, near exponential. Number three, Smart provides both a hardware and software platform that the ecosystem can leverage to your benefit. And last but not least, the technology platform allows both content developers and software application developers to interact and build their solutions upon our software and hardware platform. This creates a market for the software application developer to sell their solutions directly to end customers that work with our interactive touch technologies, or to license their plugin apps or software applications to the digital content developers and publishers to enhance the publishers' digital content they develop for the education sector and other sectors in the interactive whiteboard market. So this concludes the podcast. If you like further information, please do not hesitate to visit us on the web at www.smarttech.com or email us at ecosystem@smarttech.com.